Hey guys, gonna give you a quick demo here on how to get rid of the roll pin from the Taurus Model 85 gun to change the grips. So I'm gonna try to keep it short and sweet here. So basically what you're gonna do is start off by throwing some WD-40 into the little hole there, okay? And that's where this roll pin is gonna be punched out of. So, and I know there's been some confusion as to what size roll pin punch you're going to use, and that is 3/32 of an inch. So basically you throw some WD-40 in there, let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes, okay, and then you're going to stick this guy in here. All right, grab your hammer and just give it a few light taps. Okay, that should move it a little bit and get it loosened up. Now you do want to place the gun grip on a surface where the roll pin can actually punch out of. Okay, so and you can honestly improvise as long as you're not damaging the actual frame of the gun here. So I just placed this actually on top of a plastic box and knocked it right out. So it's really a piece of cake. And I'm gonna throw on these grips here. Now I am trying to multitask here because I got one hand. So once you get that roll pin out, the grip should actually slide right off. Okay, I'll kind of so you kind of get the idea there. Now you just slide that sucker right off, and here it is. I just slid the original grip off and got this gold grip on here. Just slide it right in. Give it a little WD-40 if it's not coming on completely, because this isn't a rubber grip, it's actually a hard grip. And but yeah, it's a piece of cake. So hope this helps some of you guys out, and obviously you gotta make sure the gun is unloaded before you do any of this. So stay safe and take care.